In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a masking region in Revit. A masking region is a simple, reliable way to hide parts of your model in a single view without modifying any geometry. Think of it as placing an opaque patch over clutter so you can clarify intersections, simplify details, or guide attention to the important elements. Remember, masking regions are view-specific. That means the mask you create will only appear in the view you're working in, not across the entire project. Begin by opening the exact view where you want the mask to appear. This can be a plan, a section, an elevation, or a drafting view. Choose the view that best communicates your intent, then zoom into the area you plan to cover. Setting an appropriate view scale first helps the mask fit proportionally and keeps your drawing clean when printed. Next, head to the Annotate tab, open the Detail panel and click Masking Region. This activates sketch mode and brings up the drawing tools you'll use to outline the area to be masked. You'll see options like line, rectangle, circle, arc, and pick lines. Revit requires a closed loop, so make sure the boundary connects from start to finish without gaps or overlaps. Now sketch the boundary to define what you want to hide. Use line for custom shapes with precise control over each segment. Rectangle is perfect for quick, orthogonal patches that align with grids or walls. Circle handles round areas neatly, and arc lets you follow curved edges. Pick lines is especially handy when tracing existing edges in the view. You can set an offset to pull the boundary slightly away for a cleaner border, watch for snaps at corners and intersections, and zoom in to ensure endpoints meet exactly. If the boundary isn't closed, Revit will let you know so you can fix any gaps before continuing. When your outline looks right, click the green Finish Edit Mode checkmark to apply the masking region. The area inside your boundary becomes opaque, hiding the model elements behind it in this view while allowing annotations to remain visible. This is ideal for tidying up busy junctions, clarifying callouts, or emphasizing design intent without altering the model. If you need to refine the shape or move it, simply select the mask and edit the boundary or reposition it until it covers exactly what you need. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can create clean, effective masks that enhance readability and keep your drawings focused and professional.